Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see that how you can reset your YouTube recommendation. So basically YouTube recommendation are the videos you are seeing on your dashboard. So here the videos you are seeing you are recently watched and it based on your history and YouTube will recommend your videos based on your history. So how you can fix it? So firstly you can open up your YouTube, click on your profile and you will see the option of your data in YouTube. Just click on that option and now here you can just simply scroll down and you will see the option of YouTube watch history and now you will see the makes it easier to find YouTube videos that you watched and improve your YouTube recommendation in YouTube. Just click on the on option and then simply turn off this option because you if you don't need it then you can simply turn it off. You can also do the other setting, include the YouTube videos you watch, include the searches on YouTube. After that just scroll down and just click on the manage history option you are seeing on the bottom. So once you click on that, you will go to your Google account and here you can just simply click on the delete option you are seeing. Once you click on that, now here you can select the time range to all or today. After that, now you can select it and then simply click on the delete. So by clicking on the delete, your all YouTube history and your YouTube recommendation data will be deleted and then you can open your YouTube and then your all YouTube recommendation will be reset. And guys, this is how you can reset your YouTube recommendation. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.